gagawin natin?
Hindi na alam eh. Kinakabahan din ako. Magdasal na lang tayo, ha?
Oo, ano kasi hindi matuloy? Oo naman si Moki.
Flor!
Ay,
Flor, nasan ka?
Ma'am Astrid, nandito po kami, ma'am!
Ay, Ma'am. Flor, Emma, bakit walang tao ngayon dito?
Ma'am
Nasaan
Astrid.
si Muki tsaka si Olive?
Si Moki po, dinala po ni Ma'am Olive sa ospital. Puputulan na daw po siya ng mga binti.
Ano?
Baka mo pwede po niyo tulungan.
Hello, Doc Miranda? Yes, I was the one who sent you that email. Let's talk about it over dinner.
Di ba yan yung friend mo sa med school na na-expel because of malpractice?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All circuits are busy.
Mauna na ako. Saglit lang, ha? Alis na ako. Saglit.
Sige po, ingat po.
Natin ba abutan ni Ma'am Astrid?
Mami, please! Mami, please! Mami, please! Ayoko po, Mami! Mami, please! Please! Mami, please!
It's gonna be okay.
Please, Mami, please! Umuwi na po tayo, Mami! Mami, please! Please, Mami! Ayoko! Ayoko!
Doc, please
Ayoko,
be gentle with her.
please!
Don't worry. Your daughter is in good hands.
Ayoko, Mami! Please! Umuwi na po tayo, Mami! Ayoko po! Ayoko, Mami! Please!
Doc, stop.
Please,
Stop.
Mami, please!
Let's stop first.
Please! Please, Mami, please! Please!
Just count to 10, okay?
Doc, I'm so sorry. Huwag na lang natin tong ituloy.
What? But Olive,
I know. I can't do this to my daughter.
we have an agreement. May kinansel akong surgery for this.
I know, Doc. I'm so sorry. Pasensya na kayo. And don't worry, I will still pay you in full. Let's just not do this.
Okay. Nurse. What?
Why? What's going on?
The police. Huh? Someone reported me again. Olive, you better leave. Hindi sila pwede makakita ng pasyente rito.
What?